What is Adwords? Google AdWords is a system that uses the Google search network to connect web users and advertisers. It's a system based on targeting ads to web users based on the words they type into the Google search field. The targeted nature of the system is the key that makes it such an effective advertising tool. Google looks at the word or phrase typed into the search field by the user and presents them first and foremost with quality search results on the main section of the page. After all, it's high-quality search results that brings web users back to Google again and again, making Google the dominant search engine in the world. Along with their search results, the user also sees a list of simple text ads along the right side of the page, and sometimes along the top. The ads listed are highly relevant to the user's search, giving them a non-intrusive, non-disruptive look at products and services they might be interested in. So, thanks to Google's search engine, a convergence takes place between advertisers that cater to a specific interest and web users that have expressed this very same interest. It's this perfectly timed convergence that sets the stage for you, the advertiser, to connect directly with prospects and convert them into paying customers. So, this user-advertiser connection is what Google AdWords accomplishes on the surface. But how does it work behind the scenes? How does Google know which users to connect with which advertisers? To make successful connections, Google needs to learn something about both the user and the advertiser. Learning about the user is easy. Google knows what the user is interested in because they type it into the search field. This is known as the user's search query. Learning about the advertiser is achieved through the use of keywords. These are words and phrases selected by the advertiser. Google compares the user's search query against an advertiser's selected keywords. If there's a match, Google will show the advertiser's ad to the user, creating an opportunity for users to click on the ad and connect with the advertiser. Now, this is a very simple overview. There is much more to learn about keywords and the details of how Google decides when and where an ad should appear. You'll learn about these topics in the upcoming lessons, but even this simple overview leads to an important point. Like all advertisers, you probably have competitors, and you're all trying to attract the same prospects. This is no different within the AdWords system. If you find a great keyword that is showing your ad to many prospects, won't your competitors want to use the same keyword? Of course. So if many advertisers are using the same keyword, how does AdWords deal with this competition? Let's take a look at that in the next lesson.